Greetings and a warm welcome to Sentinel Skills. Here we bring you insightful content that aids in honing your security management skills. Today we're delving into two crucial principles in the security field: unity of command and span of control. These principles are key in managing efficient and effective security operations. So do remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more such enlightening content. Stay with us as we delve into the world of unity of command and span of control in security operations. Unity of command, a principle as old as military strategy, holds significant relevance in today's security operations. Let's delve a bit deeper into this concept. Unity of command in the most basic terms means that every individual in a security operation should answer to one and only one supervisor. This principle ensures a clear chain of command, thereby eliminating confusion, streamlining decision-making, and fostering accountability. Now you might be wondering, why is this principle so crucial in security operations? The answer lies in its ability to provide a unified direction. When all team members are receiving instructions from a single source, it ensures that everyone is on the same page, working towards the same objective. This unified direction is especially critical when responding to security threats, where speed, coordination, and clarity are of the essence. Let's consider a few examples. In a large-scale security operation, such as a music festival or sporting event, the security personnel spread across the venue will need to respond quickly and cohesively to any threats or disturbances. By adhering to the unity of command principle, they can effectively communicate, coordinate their actions, and resolve the situation efficiently. Similarly, in corporate security operations, the unity of command ensures that all security personnel, from the entrance guards to the surveillance team, follow a singular strategic direction, enhancing the overall security posture of the organization. With a unified direction, security teams can respond to threats more effectively and efficiently. Just as a chain of command is crucial, so too is understanding the span of control in security management. This term, often used in the context of organizational management, refers to the number of subordinates a supervisor or leader can effectively manage. In security management, it carries a particular significance. Just imagine a security supervisor trying to directly oversee 50 officers. The result? Likely chaos, with the supervisor overwhelmed and the officers lacking clear guidance. Conversely, if a supervisor only manages 2 officers, there may be an imbalance in resource allocation, potentially leading to inefficiency. This is where the span of control comes into play. It's about finding that sweet spot where a supervisor can effectively manage a team, balancing the need for supervision with the goal of operational efficiency. For instance, a security task requiring specialized skills or intricate coordination may necessitate a smaller span of control. Finding the right balance is an ongoing process, one that requires careful consideration, continual reassessment, and adaptive leadership. An optimal span of control ensures that no single link in the security chain is overburdened. It promotes efficiency, fosters effective communication, and ultimately strengthens the overall security management. The interplay between unity of command and span of control is a delicate dance requiring precise coordination. These two principles, though distinct in their applications, are intrinsically linked in the realm of security operations. Unity of command ensures a single clear chain of command, minimizing confusion and promoting efficient decision-making in high-pressure situations. It brings clarity to roles and responsibilities, facilitating quick response to security threats. On the other hand, span of control focuses on the optimal number of subordinates a supervisor can effectively manage. It's a delicate balance, striving to ensure efficient supervision without compromising operational effectiveness. Too tight a span can lead to micromanagement, while too wide a span risks loss of control and oversight. When unity of command and span of control are integrated effectively, they create a harmonious and efficient operation. Each principle feeds into the other, with a clear chain of command ensuring effective span of control and an optimal span of control facilitating the execution of the unified command. The integration of unity of command and span of control is no easy task. It requires careful planning, diligent execution, and a deep understanding of both principles. However, when done correctly, it can significantly enhance the effectiveness of security operations. When these principles work in harmony, security operations are streamlined and effective. Like any system, maintaining unity of command and an optimal span of control present challenges. In the quest for unity of command, the hurdle often lies in ensuring a single, clear chain of command. This becomes particularly complex in larger security operations where multiple teams are involved, each potentially having their own dynamics and hierarchies. To tackle this, it's crucial to establish a unified command structure from the outset, with clear roles and responsibilities. Regular communication, transparency, and trust building are key to ensure the chain of command is respected and followed. When it comes to span of control, the challenge is in finding the sweet spot between supervision and operational efficiency. Too few individuals under one leader's purview can lead to over-supervision and underutilization of resources. Conversely, too many can result in lack of oversight, miscommunication, and reduced operational efficiency. The solution here lies in tailoring the span of control to the complexity of the task at hand. For simpler tasks, a larger span of control may be feasible, while more complex tasks may necessitate a smaller span for effective management. In both cases, continuous training and development for security personnel is invaluable. This not only equips individuals with the necessary skills to navigate these challenges, but also fosters a culture of adaptability and growth. Understanding and addressing these challenges is key to effective security management. In conclusion, unity of command and span of control are fundamental to effective security operations. These principles, when understood and implemented correctly, can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of any security team. We urge all security specialists to prioritize these principles in their operations. Thank you, and until next time, stay safe and stay informed.